Hi, this is Rosemary, owner of Hands of Light by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. And I just wanted to show you my newest published book, Inspired by Angels, a Book from the Heart. This is actually a workbook. And as you read through, you'll have opportunities to jot your own thoughts and your own inspirations in the book. And I've used it as a guidebook. The angels actually told me the name of my book a few years ago when I started to write this. In the back of the book, I have a lot of references so you can look at the places where I found information that was related to something I spoke about or wrote about in the book. You might also be familiar with my other book, Divine Messengers, which is the beginning book of my guide with angels, Reiki, and channeling. So you can also find that on Amazon. I also write for kids. So I have 3 published books for middle grade fiction. They're a lot of fun, and they have some things kids can look up as they discover places that the boy in the story time travels to. And there are 3 books in that series so far published. And I have 3 primary books, The Magic Flute, Jensen and the Giants, which is book 1 and book 2. And those are for 1st to 3rd grade. And another book that I have is called Dominic and the Wild Things. And it's a book about a little boy who goes to a zoo. And before he does, he imagines all the things animals do. I wrote that for my older grandson. So if you would like to explore my books, the quickest way is to go to my website, rosemaryd.com, then click on Grow Your Spirit Books, and you'll see all of them laid out. So when you click, it brings you to the right place in Amazon. Amazon kind of hides me under a rock, around the bend, in the woods. So it's a little hard to find when you Google it or you put my name in. Anyway, go to my website, rosemaryd.com, or info@rosemaryd.com if you want to be on my mailing list. I have 2 of them. I have a spiritual mailing list for most of my clients, and I have a kid and parent mailing list. Being a teacher for 32 years in public education, I love working with kids as well. So my kid mailing list is specifically guided toward creativity, reading, and different ways to inspire your children and you to love this process of writing. And my spiritual website and my spiritual information is more about self-growth, working with the gifts you already have. For instance, maybe you were born intuitive, maybe you used to see things, maybe you have these odd inclinations that you can't quite put your finger on or you don't know what to do with. So those are ways that I help my clients. I'm also a Reiki Master teacher, so I have trained hundreds of clients through the years to use the energy system that I use to work on themselves and other people. So you may be interested in exploring that as well. Also, keep tuned for my podcast, which will soon be airing on Bold and Brave TV. And I'll be doing about 52 different weekly programs. And you can call in and ask questions. And I also want to use that as a format and a platform to help people and to allow them to look into some things that they may not be aware of. You can also go to my website and see many of my self-growth courses there. So rosemaryd.com, Hands of Light by Rosemary LLC, and Grow Your Spirit Books located in New Jersey. So happy searching, and I hope to hear from you. So please subscribe and do all the things that you do. You can comment. So I really appreciate you. Thank you.